Hi, in this video we are going to see the faculty vacancies notification from the two different universities. So here the designations are assistant professor, associate as well as the professor vacancies, and the opportunities are there for the candidates who are having the only post graduation PG plus UGCNET and the PhD candidates. And the salary we are going to get 50,000 rupees per month. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGCNET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is DMIMS, deemed to be university. So from this one here we got the employment notice for Faculty of Engineering and Technology, AICTE. So click on this one and then you will be directed to this web page, guys. So here click on the download attachment, then you will be directed to this PDF. Okay, so let's look on this PDF, guys. Datta Megha Institute of Medical Sciences. So it is declared as deemed to be university and re-aggregated by NAC. Fine. And it is from Maharashtra. So here the contact numbers as well as the email IDs are also given here. If you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact them or else you may send one email to them, guys. And here applications are invited from the eligible candidates for recruitment of teaching positions for new faculty in engineering and technology, management and MCA programs applied by Datta Megha Institute by Medical Sciences to All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. Fine. And here coming to this institute, the faculty in the engineering and technology for the undergraduate level, the departments which are having the vacancies for the assistant professor are physics, chemistry, mathematics, basic electrical and electronics engineering, computation skill or computer workshop, communication skill, engineering graphics, agriculture engineering as well as the civil engineering. And as per the departmental wise, you may check here the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. And next one, coming to the post graduation, artificial intelligence and data sciences, biomedical engineering. Fine. And here the professor associate and the assistant professor, based upon the designations here the number of vacancies are mentioned. And coming to the management, the master of business administration. Fine. The assistant professor and the associate professor vacancies are mentioned. And coming to the MCA, master of computer applications, so here the posts are mentioned. So here pay scales and salary, all these things as per the DMIMS norms. It is to be noted that recruitment of selected candidates shall be subject to grant of approval for starting the new programs by the AICTE in New Delhi. Fine. And the qualifications and eligibility shall be as per the UGC or governing council norms. So if you want to get the further details, you may get the download application and you may visit the official website. Of course, I took this notification from the official website itself. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. And the duly filled application forms in the prescribed performer to be submitted along with necessary documents or certificates through email on career@dmimsu.edu.in on or before 25th May 2021 by 5 o'clock evening. Fine. That means you have to make up the prescribed proforma and attach the necessary documents and certificates, and then just scan all of them and send to the provided mail ID on or before 25th May 2021. Okay. So these are the details, guys. So here as per the assistant professor, that means clear qualifications are not mentioned here, and I did not get in the website also. So for the assistant professor, the candidates who belongs to these departments, I think even though if you are having the post graduation without having the UGCNET or without having the PhD also, just try to make one pro forma, okay, and then attach the necessary documents or scanned copies of certificates and just mail to them. Or else if you are having any queries regarding to this one, here the email ID as well as contact numbers are also provided, so you may contact to them, guys. Fine. And coming to the next one is the Central University of Tamil Nadu. So here it is inviting applications in online mode for the guest faculty positions for the odd and even semesters of the academic year 2020-21. The recruitment details are as under. So coming to the department is Hindi, and essential qualifications, master's degree in Hindi and a PhD in Hindi or the NET. That means PG plus NET you may apply. If you are having the PhD, then you may apply. But here the vacancy is only one vacancy is there. So interested candidates are advised to carefully fill all the relevant fields provided in the application pro forma, duly preferably typed in the, or else neatly handwritten, and provide all the relevant information pertaining to qualification, experience details, and scanned copies of the duly filled in and signed application form along with all the self-attested copies of the testimonials converted into single PDF file. Okay, and it has to be sent to the HODHindi@cutn.ac.in on or before 27th May 2021. Fine. And the superannuated teachers may also be considered for engagement as guest faculty, subjecting to maximum age limit of 70 years. And eligibility, master's degree with 55% of marks, and along with that one the NET qualification must be there. So 1500 rupees per lecture and subject to maximum of 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, and the selected candidate shall be engaged on purely temporary basis for a period of 1 semester or also 6 months. So online walk-in interview, guys. Fine. So these are the details, and here the application form is also mentioned. You may check down. Okay, so I will provide all the necessary links, okay, regarding to this one, Team 2B University and as well as the Central University in the description box of this video. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the Plus subscription and second one is the Iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the Plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250. And for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.